Hey guys, this is Chris here. Today I'm back here with another project. So this project is about a driver passout detection. So let's say we are driving the car, but we haven't slept well the other night, and we have a chance of falling asleep while driving. So, what this does is, if we close our eyes like this for more than 3 seconds, it will immediately ring a siren. So, this will help us to stay awake and pull to the side of the road because we're not feeling well or we have a chance of passing out. Otherwise, if we are traveling with many passengers, it'll if the driver passes out, the alarm will sound. So at least someone else can take control of the wheel and pull it to the side. This will prevent a lot of accidents if it is put into future cars for safety, etc. So this is the idea of the project. Now let's see the demo. I'll be showing you the demo of the project. So I will run the project on my computer, and now I will sit. The computer is capturing my data, as you can see. If I keep my eyes closed like this, you can hear the sound alarm over here as follows. So this is how it works. If the eye is closed like this, the alarm will ring. It's basically for 3 seconds. If the eye is closed like this, the alarm will ring. So if a driver passes out or accidentally has a chance of going to sleep, we can alert the other passengers who are in the car, so they can take control of the wheel and prevent an accident. Have a plan of taking this project into their future vehicles, they can email me. The email is in the description. So what happens if future car companies want to do this? They will insert a camera over here, and if my eye is closed, they can ring a siren saying that the driver has a chance of passing. But not necessarily this code has to be improved, because just in case the driver blinks 3 times, it will not be a pass out. This can still be improved. I'll be making an executable of it soon. So now we know how the project works. Let's see what's happening at the back. Now that we've seen the demo of the project, let's see what's happening at the back end. Before that, let's go have a look at the tools which have been used to create the project. The tools which have been used to create the project are Python, CVZone, MediaPipe, OpenCV, Python. So Python is where all the code is written and executed. It's the base for all the code, and all the packages, which is CVZone, MediaPipe, and OpenCV Python, are installed in Python and run through Python. Then we have CVZone. CVZone, as explained in the previous videos, it's a package used for tracking the face, hand, full body tracking, etc. It's a wrapper package for MediaPipe, which actually does all of this functionality. However, CV Zone is a little bit easier to handle because MediaPipe we have to type at least 10 parameters for a function. However, CV Zone will compress all of this for us to only 2 parameters. This is why it's extremely helpful for us. Then we have OpenCV Python. As you guys remember in the video, when I was doing the demo, there were two dots on my upper eyebrow and lower eyebrow, and there was a line joining them both. This was drawn using OpenCV Python. This helps. It helps us to also to capture the webcam feed and display it in a separate window. We will find the face through the webcam feed which OpenCV Python is providing. This is all the tools which have been used. Let's see what's happening in the background. Python is capturing the webcam feed. We will use MediaPipe package to check if there's a face. If there's a face, it will draw a line between the upper and lower eyebrow. So what happens basically is that MediaPipe captures the face. It has in the MediaPipe package, it has many points on our face. Like for it has like 365 points on our face which are at different positions, and they are randomly assigned for numbers. So we will draw a circle on the upper eyebrow point where that dot is. So it will draw a dot on the upper eyebrow. So this is how it's done, and then it will draw a line. Now, what we need to do is that we need to check if the line's distance is less than 22. So, if it's less than 22 for 3 seconds, it means that the driver could be sleeping or passing out. So we will ring the alarm. This is what's happening at the back end. I will show you how I've set this project up in the car right now. As you can see, we have the driver's seat, which is over here, and then we have the camera, which is this rectangle. So when the driver, this camera is pointing directly at the driver's face. So if the driver's eye is closed for 3 seconds, then it will ring the alarm. So this is how the project works. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more content.